From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Tillman here for your Campus Weather Service Friday afternoon forecast. After a warm and mild week, looking to get colder this weekend, just in time for the big game. I have that forecast for you in 1 second. Let's take a look at what conditions are like at Beaver Stadium right now. 46 degrees with a dew point of 32, so kind of dry starting your afternoon off, and southwest wind at 7 miles per hour. Let's take a look at temperatures throughout the region. We can see staying mostly in the mid 40s, so a bit chillier than maybe what we've been experiencing this week, where it's been more in the upper 50s and even 60s. And looking at the whole state, just zooming out, we can see that's basically true for most of the state, staying in the mid 40s. However, we do have some upper 50s even in western PA, and especially in Erie. A lot of that is due to the lake influence, so that keeps temperatures a little bit milder. Looking at temperature change, so changing from the last 24 hours, we can see much colder for most of the state, even getting down 16 degrees colder than it was this time 24 hours ago in Philadelphia. So that's indicative of a front that's passed through. You can really see it as we look at the whole eastern region here. Many locations much colder than they were 24 hours ago. So that's that cold front. You can sort of draw a line right here, and that moved through, bringing those colder temperatures to our area. And the culprit of that, we can see right now on radar and satellite. You can see the precip sort of in the southern tier of Pennsylvania, especially as you get down towards, say, Harrisburg, Philadelphia, York County area. Lots of precip there, and even some precip up in near Erie from lake effect. Staying mostly rain, although we do see a little bit of snow even creeping in the higher elevations, say down by Mount Davis and into the higher elevations of western Virginia. Taking a look at the broader view, though, we can really see where that system is and how it's going to sort of shunt through the southern tier of our area and head out to sea. Then we'll really see that here on the future weather, as you can see that precip moving out of the way. And I think we do see a decrease in clouds heading into the afternoon, getting sunny, and then those temperatures really starting to drop off as we head into the evening. So for a high for today, I'm thinking 53, cooler than it has been for most of the week, but about seasonable for this time of year. And as we head into this evening, though, we will get down into the mid 30s, so a little bit colder than some of the lows we've been experiencing for a lot of this week. So be prepared for that. And as we head into tomorrow, I do expect a high of 49, so a little bit chillier than it was today, and that's just in time for the big game against Michigan. I think we start off for tailgates around 42, so make sure you bring that coat and hoodie, because it's going to be pretty chilly as you get out there and get to your tailgates. And then right around kickoff, I'm thinking we get around to 46. Clouds will be decreasing, so hopefully those breaks of sun will warm things up a little bit, but still staying chilly even as we head into the fourth quarter with our high of 49, where hopefully we beat Michigan. So definitely make sure to bring your warm weather gear, because it will be a chilly one out there. And let's see what it's looking like heading into our 7-day outlook. We can see as we head into the weekend, staying colder, but conditions will start to improve as we head into mid next week. We can see getting up into the low to mid and even upper 50s by the time we head into Thursday. So improvement definitely in the forecast, and definitely looking like a beautiful stretch of late fall weather coming around to the state. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm Tillman. Have a wonderful weekend.